Looking to hardwire your Nexar One DashCam? In this video, we'll guide you step by step to get a clean setup and 24/7 protection, even when your car is parked. Clean the windshield where you plan to place the dashcam. Stick the electrostatic sticker on the glass behind the rearview mirror. Mount the camera onto the sticker and make sure it's facing straight ahead. Press firmly to ensure a secure attachment that stays in place while driving. Turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the hardwire kit to the device, then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add a fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. That's all it takes to hardwire your Nexar One DashCam. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one!